Hello students, this is your geography teacher Shobha Chaudhary. Now second chapter is almost ended, so now we are going to start the exercises. The question answers is already discussed in Zoom class and other exercises also discussed in the Zoom class. Now today you are going to understand with this video, with the help of this video, answers of the following question. First question is, which are the two main climatic factors responsible for soil formation? And answer is rainfall and temperature. Second question, write any two reasons for land degradation today. Deforestation, landslide, overuse of chemical pesticides, over irrigation. These all are reasons and you can write any two. Now third question is, why is land considered an important resource? Now land is an important resource because we are dependent for agriculture, for forestry, mining, building houses, roads, setting up of industries, etc. So land is very important resource for us. Next question. Name any two steps that government has taken to conserve plants and animals. Government has taken many steps, alright. So two of them, first one, government is spreading awareness programs like social forestry and Van Mahotsav. Second point is, government also made national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, biosphere reserve, etc. to protect our wildlife and natural vegetation. Now next question. Suggest three ways to conserve water. Afforestation. First point is afforestation. Second point is rainwater harvesting. And third point is to repair the leakage of pipes. Many other suggestions are also there, but these three you can mention. Now next, tick the correct option. Which one of the following is not a factor of soil formation? Soil texture. B is the correct answer. Soil texture is not a factor of soil formation. Time and organic matter, these two are factor of soil formation, but soil texture is not a factor. Second question, which one of the following methods is most appropriate to check soil erosion on steep slope? That is terrace cultivation or terrace farming, step cultivation. Alright, so terrace cultivation is the right answer. Next, which one of the following is not in favor of the conservation of nature? Three options are given, and last option, dispose polypacks after shopping, is not the favor of the conservation of nature. Dispose polybags after shopping is not in favor of the conservation of nature. Next one is match the following. Land use, productive use of land. Next, humus, organic matter deposited on topsoil, it is very fertile. Third one, rock dam, to prevent soil erosion. Fourth, biosphere, narrow zone of contact between the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. So till here is it very clear? Now fourth one, state whether the given statement is true or false. First, Ganga Brahmaputra plain of India is an overpopulated region, and write the reason if true, because it is very fertile and availability of water is much here. Second, water availability per person in India is declining because growing population is growing very fast and demand is also growing very fast. So per person water availability is declining. And other reasons are there because deforestation is taking place, so water level is going down. Rows of trees planted in the coastal areas to check the wind movement is called intercropping. No, false. It is called shelter belt. So it is false. Next one, human interference and changes of climate can maintain the ecosystem. No, human interference and changes cannot maintain, it disturbs the ecosystem. Okay students, thank you very much.